Hello everybody! Welcome to Class in the Cloud, Phonics with Teacher Simmy. Did you know there are 5 vowels in the English alphabet? Let's learn about them now. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels are the sounds made by the speaker as the air passes through the mouth without being blocked. Vowels have 2 sounds. Let's learn the A sound. Short sound, ah, ah, ah. Long sound says its name. A, A, A. Let's learn some A words. A is for alligator. Ah, ah, alligator. A is for angel. A, angel. An alligator saw an angel. Let's learn the E sound. Short sound, eh, eh, eh. Long sound says its name. E, E, E. Let's learn some E words. E is for elf. Eh, eh, elf. E is for eagle. E, eagle. The elf meets an eagle. Let's learn the I sound. Short sound, E, E, E. Long sound says its name. I. Let's learn some I words. I is for iguana. Iguana. I is for ice. I, ice. The iguana likes to eat ice. Let's learn the O sound. Short sound, oh, oh, oh. Long sound says its name. O, O, O. Let's learn some O words. O is for ostrich. Ostrich. O is for oak. Oak. The ostrich stands next to the oak. Let's learn the U sound. Short sound, long sound says its name. U. Let's learn some U words. U is for umpire. Umpire. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. The umpire has a unicorn. Let's recap what we learned. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels. An alligator saw an angel. The elf meets an eagle. The iguana likes to eat ice. The ostrich stands next to the oak. The umpire has a unicorn.
Well done, everyone. Good job. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. This is Class in the Cloud. I am Teacher Simmy. Goodbye.